Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Pinterest and make a minimum of $100 per day without the requirement of having a blog. And this is through a program called MiloTree, which is basically affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So I'm going to show you how to do it. If you guys are interested in learning more about these type of videos, make sure that you leave a comment below and let me know. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business or make passive income online, make sure that you subscribe today to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you could be the first one notified every single time I upload a new video. Now, I'm kind of excited about this actual product because it's a really cool product, not only to make money from it, but also to use it personally. I'm almost tempted to use it for myself as well, just to see if I like it. So MiloTree is basically a program that you can use to convert visitors into followers, subscribers, and customers. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to explain what the actual program is, how it will benefit you if you are an Etsy seller or you have your own business or Shopify seller. And then I'm going to show you also how to promote them on Pinterest to make money, whether it's $100 or more per day. So if this video is something that you want to learn and how to make passive income online, make sure that you watch all the way to the end because I am going to take it step by step. So the first thing I always want to do whenever I recommend a product, I kind of want to dive into what the product is. It's important that whenever you're doing affiliate marketing, you understand what the product is. You understand if someone else used it. I know someone that uses it and they love it. And so making sure that you recommend products that are credible, right? Trustworthiness to other people and not just recommending everything and anything. Now, with this product, what is so cool about it is that whenever somebody visits, whether it's your Etsy shop, or your Shopify or your blog or your Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, they get a little pop-up that says follow me or subscribe. So this is going to help you increase your click-through rate. It's going to help you increase your followers, and it also can help you increase your sales because now you have people that potentially were browsing or they saw your store and now this little pop-up is telling them, hey, shop now. And a lot of times when people get pop-ups, they'll actually click on it. And that's why studies show that when you use pop-ups on your website or your blog, you actually collect more emails. And this is what I do on my own blog. I have pop-ups on every page. That way I never miss an email collection, right? Because the point is to grow your email list so you could remarket to them later. So this is kind of the same thing. You could grow your followers on Pinterest, on Instagram, on your blog, and you could also grow your followers in the sense of growing your sales on Etsy and also Shopify. So let's look at it so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and do a demo real quick. And it's really cheap too. So keep in mind it's $9 a month. They give you a 30-day trial, so that's not bad. I'm going to leave my link below. So if you guys want to try it out, please use my link. I will leave it in the comment section and also underneath the video on the text box description. Now, they give you for $9 a month, you get all these services. So if you have an Instagram account, a Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, email, Shopify, and Etsy, you could connect all of them if you like to. So let's do Instagram to kind of give you an idea. So I'm going to connect my Instagram account. Oops, okay. And then you could pick the color from here. So I'm going to do pink. It's kind of like my branding color. As you can see, you could change it to any color you want. See, it changes the colors here. And basically, this is what people will see when they're browsing. They say they go to Instagram on mobile, they'll get a little pop-up on the bottom of their phone. And if they're browsing on the desktop, they get this little pop-up here. And the pop-up is suggesting for them to go ahead and follow you on that particular platform. If you do, let's do an Etsy one because majority of my subscribers are Etsy sellers. So let me do my Etsy store. So you put in your name. And this is what they get. And then you could change it if you want to do like the Etsy color, which is orange. You could change it to that color as well. So I'm going to do orange. There you go. And this is the pop-up they get. So if they're viewing my store, On a desktop, it'll tell them shop now. If they're viewing it on a mobile device, this is a little pop-up that they get. And it has like it has little screenshots of everything that I sell. So it's really, really cool. And it's only $9 a month. And basically you would do that all across through all your channels. I'm going to do my YouTube just in case you guys want to see how it looks. Let's see. Okay, this is too much work right here, so I'm not going to do that for the sake of the video. But you guys have an idea now. It just basically it creates a pop-up that the person could go ahead and follow you. Now, to join, you have a 30-day trial. So if this is something that interests you, I recommend doing it. Basically, it's easy to join as an affiliate marketer, and I will leave the link below as well. And once you're in there, you'll have a dashboard. And for every sale that you make, you get $20 when a customer purchases using your link within 30 days. So you have a 30-day cookie, which is nice because if somebody saves the pin today, Monday, and in 30 days from today they buy, you still get commission. So as long as they buy within 30 days of whenever they pinned it or they clicked on it, etc., you have a 30-day cookie, which is really cool. They actually also give you creatives. A lot of times when you do affiliate marketing, they don't give you, some do and some don't. Some companies give you graphics that you could promote. Some companies actually don't do that. You have to create your own graphic. So if you're not a graphic designer, you don't know how to do graphics, or you don't want to do it on Canva, etc., then this is a nice company because they provide you already the resources. So as you can see, they give you for Instagram, they give you for a regular creative, which is like, which is like Pinterest. And if you go down here, they give you more. So they give you all of these banners that you could use for Pinterest. So let's say you wanted to use this one here. You could either grab the embedded code, which that you would use that on the blog, so you could promote it on the blog. I'm going to go ahead and just download the creative. Once I have the creative downloaded, which is here, this one here, I'm going to go ahead and go to my Pinterest account. And I'm going to go ahead and pin it. So let's go ahead and pin it. Now, the first thing you want to do is whenever you are pinning something on Pinterest, you want to name the file for SEO purposes. That way you could get found in the search results. So I'm going to name this pin. Let's see, what was it? Followers daily on Pinterest. So grow Pinterest followers. I'm going to name it that. Grow Pinterest followers. So I'm naming the file. And I gotta clean my desktop today. I've been saying I'm gonna do it and I keep forgetting. So I'm gonna go to Pinterest. I'm gonna grab the pin, right? I'm gonna grab it from here. I'm gonna put it into Pinterest. I'm gonna name my file Grow Your Pinterest Followers. And I'm gonna take the actual link, which is on the dashboard. This is my affiliate link. I'm gonna copy this. And I'm going to put here, if you want to grow your Pinterest followers, then you need to use this tool. This app will help you get massive followers daily on Pinterest. A lot of times you could just copy what the creative says, and that's a lot easier. And then you could just put a call to action telling the person what to do. So click for details. And then I usually do like a hashtag, Pinterest, hashtag, social media. Okay, so I'm going to put the link right here. And I'm going to just review it to make sure I have no grammar. If you want to grow your Pinterest followers, then you need to use this tool. This app will help you gain massive followers daily on Pinterest. Click for details. Perfect. So I'm going to put this on my digital marketing folder. Now, you could pick any folder. If you have multiple folders, you could use it on different ones. Like I could do digital marketing, I could do social media. My digital marketing one is the one that I get a lot of traction, so that's why I'm putting it there. And that's basically all you have to do. The pin is there, and if somebody clicks on it, it's going to take them to the landing page to join. And this is what they would get, which is like the little landing page, and they just join and they get the 30-day trial. You could also put you could also put as an incentive for people to kind of gravitate towards clicking, or kind of like make them want to click. You could actually put try 30 days for free. A lot, if you do that, a lot of people click. The click through rate actually increases because people like to try stuff for free first. So adding that as well will help you. Now, the point of adding it to your Pinterest account is not only adding it to your actual boards, which is great, but you also want to promote it on any group boards. If you belong to any group boards, I recommend promoting them there because you'll get massive. Like I have this group board that has like 2 million pins. So promoting it in group boards, also promoting it in your tribes as well, because that will get the like other people to reshare your pins automatically. So, and the creative that they actually give you are really pretty. They're really nice. They're eye catching, and I honestly feel like people will click on these creatives because they're very pretty and nice. And if you don't like them, or if you want to switch the words around, or if you want to create creatives not just for Pinterest, but you want to do like Instagram, if you want to do for Etsy, if you want to do for your Shopify, you could do like 6 pins of every platform that they cover. So they cover Instagram, they cover Shopify, they cover um, Pinterest, they cover YouTube, and they cover Facebook. So you could do one for each platform and just change the wording and change the description of that pin for that particular platform. And then you just massively promote it and give it time, give it at least a month, and you'll start seeing some type of attraction. Now you'll start seeing clicks right away because I know with my affiliate marketing, I make anywhere from 4,000 to 7,000 a month, or even more on good months. And when I promote it and I concentrate on it, I get clicks right away. Now, the sales, you might get lucky and get some sales right away, and it might take time. But keep in mind, the more you expose that pin to massive groups, or you expose it because you're constantly promoting it, you will actually start generating 100 or even more per day. And this is an easy one to do. It's $20. I mean, I always talked about creative marketing, and I make about $100 to $200 from there a month because they only pay you 10%. So I sell a lot of their products, but I only get paid a small percentage. With MiloTree.com, you actually get paid a lot, which is really, really nice. So I hope that this tutorial inspires you today to learn more about affiliate marketing, to learn more about passive income, to understand that you don't need a blog, you don't need an Etsy shop, you don't need a Shopify shop to make money online. Okay, so just keep that in mind. That's just another avenue, and it's great because I have an Etsy shop and I have other platforms that I use. I have my website that I sell as well. However, keep in mind that there are other ways, other alternatives if you want to increase your passive income and have additional incomes coming in. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I have linked other videos on the screen that will help you with passive income. And don't forget to like this video, show me some love, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.